Hello friends, day number 16. We're gonna do Cit Shakti Prakriya Pranayama, followed by a short meditation to really calm down, settle everything down. We already learned it in the last week, a very powerful technique to open up the chest, open up the heart, but also open up the energy channel so that we can access, so that we can transform prana into ojas, into spiritual energy. So find yourself in a comfortable sitting position, keep your spine straight, the rest of the body completely relaxed, and focus on your breath. Take a couple of few deep breaths into the belly, diaphragm, chest, and exhale a bit longer than you inhale. And come in touch with your own breathing rhythm. Okay, inhale, arms up, first round, 30 breaths. And go. $50 more. Last 7. 3, 2, 1. Inhale fully. Hold your breath for 5 seconds. You can squeeze the perineum muscle. And gently, slowly release. Place your hand on your knees. Find your own breathing rhythm. Keep your spine straight, your body relaxed. And feel the openness, the spaciousness in your heart center. Also acknowledge the energy moving up. You can feel how the prana moves freely from the bottom of your spine, with the inhalation all the way up to your heart. And as you exhale, the energy expands even more all around you. Okay, round number 2, 30 breaths in and go. Don't forget to smile. Smilingly observe the breath in and go. Make use of each breath. Also, if you have some negative emotions, something what burdens you, what bothers you, just let it out, let it go. 10 more breaths. Last 3. Fully inhale, hold the breath, squeeze the perineum muscle, and then release. Slowly, gently, bring your hands back to your knees and feel the sensations in your body, the blood flow, the energy flow, the blood pumping through your veins. Just connect with whatever you feel. Just accept and let it happen. And consciously observe your inner state of being. prepare yourself for round number 3. We're gonna do around 40 breaths now. And really feel when you raise the arms that you open up for life, for the divinity, for all this energy around you, all this love, compassion, kindness, all good qualities. It's all accessible. And just focus on these good qualities and you really breathe it into your heart. And you can really feel like the heart is exploding and all the toxins, all the garbage, everything you don't need in life will just diminish, will vanquish with the exhalation. Okay, focus on something positive and breathe out the negative. Okay, inhale fully, arms up and go. We're having 50 now. 20 more. Make use of this last round. Open up, letting go. Focus on love, on kindness, on compassion. Being humble, being patient, tolerant, being happy, blissful. In and out. 5 more. Last inhalation. Inhale fully, hold the breath for as long as you comfortably can and squeeze the Mula Bandha. And then gently release. Place your hand on your knees and find your own breathing rhythm again. And feel the blood flow, the tingling sensations in your fingertips, the opening in the chest area. Keep your spine straight, the rest of the body relaxed. And keep a gentle smile on your lips. And see the change of energies when you start smiling. And smilingly observe the breath. As you inhale from the bottom of your spine, the prana moves up all the way to your heart center. And with the exhalation, feel the expansion all the way up to your higher chakras, but all around you. Your whole energy body, your whole aura is filled with this positive vibration. And focus on the breath. Mind and the breath, they are both connected. Controlling the breath means controlling the mind. Make the breath very soft and calm. Maybe not so deep anymore. Make it even a bit softer with each breath. Make it more calm. And yeah, you will feel deeper layers of yourself. There's no need to breathe much. Just letting go more and more. letting go, relax. And keep your smile on your lips. And now let go of the breath completely. Just smilingly observe the breath without any force, without any effort. Like a normal day, you just breathe and observe without judging. Just let the breath happen. Letting go of the breath, letting go of the control. Wonderful. Okay, slowly rub your hands together, make them nice and warm, and place them over your eyelids and over your forehead. And deeply look within yourself. This will help you with the body-mind connection. And gently massage your eyelids, your forehead and your skull, your face muscles, your neck, your shoulders and your upper back, your lower back, the side of the rib cage, your abdominal area, your chest, under both armpits, your upper and lower arms, your hands, your fingers on both sides, your sitting muscles, your thighs, your legs, calves, and your feet. I really love this exercise because it's so energizing, empowering, enlivening, but if you really take the time to let it settle, it really calms you down, it grounds you. So you will be grounded like a tree, like a rock, nobody can shake you, but in the same time you feel like you can climb mountains or you can rip out trees with your bare hands. Thanks for tuning in. Tomorrow we're gonna do another very interesting and powerful breathing technique, a way to release natural DMT, melatonin, and to really open up the third eye center, to really bring the energy from the Sushumna, from the bottom of the spine into Sushumna, all the way up, and the focus is in the third eye. It's a very ecstatic technique, very simple. I hope you will be still with us. I really want you to learn this special technique tomorrow. Thank you for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. Namaste.